Right everyone, so we are off to Disneyland Paris. Hey! So we've booked Disneyland Paris. So I've gone through and cleaned all the car. Sophie tell you, she's seen me out here doing it all, you know, cleaning it all, getting it all ready, getting all like. So what we like to do is we like to drive to France. That's what we do. We drive to Paris because it's much easier than getting on a plane or you know, getting a train without bringing any of your stuff. Otherwise you can just have a little bag. So what we do is we like to book the shuttle, and always book with Disney as well. You can't beat Disney's prices. So yeah, we've pretty much sorted out the car. Yeah, it's all ready. We've got the box and everything in there. I think there's a few more things to go in, but we should be nice and ready and prepared. But one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting some stickers on the car, on the number plate, so it says that it's a UK plate. I think a lot of new cars are being sold with that on now, but if you haven't, you can order them online on Amazon. They're like £3. You just stick them on your license plate, or you get like a magnetic one, which is like that, basically just to say that you're from the UK. I know I'm wearing a Christmas t-shirt, but I don't care. So yeah, we're going to be going to Disneyland Paris. So if you like this video, don't forget to follow along, and you can see our journey on the way to Paris, and getting LeShuttle, and all the bits and pieces. I'll probably do some other little videos as well to let you know how we booked it, what we did, and where we're staying. Actually, I can tell you that now. We are staying at how can I remember? We're staying at Sequoia Lodge in Disneyland Paris, so that'll be on property. So once we get there, we'll just be able to enjoy. So keep your eyes out for that. I'll be doing a full hotel and room review for the hotel in Disney Paris, Sequoia Lodge, and then we actually change on our last night. We're staying for 4 nights, and we're changing on the last night. We're going to be going to Davy Crockett's. I don't think I've done a video and put that on YouTube yet. We've been there loads of times. I've just not put a video on there. So we'll be doing Davy Crockett and a room review of Davy Crockett as well. And I hear they've actually got new lodges, so that'll be pretty cool. So we might be able to get you some insights into that. You know, nice little video there. So yeah, we'll be there. We'll be doing 5 days in the park in total, 4 nights. We're going to be going to Disney Paris. So keep your eyes open for the vlogs and follow along. And don't forget to like the video. See you later. Morning everyone. So, it's a bit windy and cold out here, I tell you. So, it's probably about 6 degrees. It's really, really cold. And we've just got to LeShuttle. We left at 2 o'clock in the morning, and we've just got here at 4 o'clock. And our train is not till 5:15. So that's one important thing. Make sure you leave yourself plenty of time to get to the terminal, because you have to check in an hour before you go. So that's the shuttle terminal over there. I've got some other vlogs that I've showed inside there, but basically in there you've got a few restaurants and bits and pieces, like, you know, like service restaurants, not like proper restaurants. But anyway, this is where you have to go, and then over here you'll see you have like boards and things just there, look, so you can keep an eye on where you're going and when you're going to get called, and you get a little ticket once you drive in, and that tells you your number. Yeah, and then you just wait to get on, and then the good thing is you see the UK police and then the French police, and then you can just drive straight off the other end. Well, I assume that's how it's going to work anyways. There are some new buildings over here if you've ever been before, so I don't know if we're meant to go. No, it looks like you're just meant to go round, so I don't know what they're for. But yeah, we might give you a little update when we get on the train, or when we get off the train or whatever. But till then, I'm going to sit and enjoy my coffee now. We are now on the train. This is what it looks like in our little car. Actually, it's a very big car, but there we go. So we're all we're all stuffed in. Everyone looks happy. The boys are up, and it's only, what time is it now? 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. They've been awake since 2.
5 o'clock in the morning. They've been awake since 2. Like,
No, 2 o'clock in the morning.
kids are just weird, aren't they? I don't know. If it was me, I'd be full asleep, mate. And so we are in the oversized category because obviously we've got a very big car. I'll tell you what's really funny is you get a load of people that just drive in randomly in the oversized category, This side I've got a Tesla. That side I've got a Tesla. And then behind that there's some sort of sports car. And you just think like, what are you doing in here? This is for like vans and trucks and stuff. I don't know, whatever. But there we go. So this is the train. So this is where you end up. It's quite nerve-wracking sometimes because you see these things here. They shut them up. And obviously if you're parked too far in front, you might get stuck. But right, anyways, it will take about a half an hour for us to get from here to Paris. It doesn't take long at all. And obviously we've already gone through English customs, French customs. And what was really interesting is you didn't have to get the is it the EES, whatever it is, where you have to do the biometrics and stuff. So I don't know, have we found the hack to get into Europe without doing your biometrics? I don't know. Potentially, let me know in the comments. But there we go. So I guess we'll catch up with you on the other side. What time is it? 10:30. What is it, 10:30?
Yes.
We have arrived. We are at Sequoia Lodge in Disney Paris. But it's 10:30, so we got here earlier than expected. It was an half a slog though. And Noah was absolutely screaming at one point because he just didn't want to be in a car anymore, bless him. But one thing I will say straight away about if you're going to book one of these resorts at Paris, just be careful, because let me show you what the issue is. The parking is absolutely terrible. I don't know what they're doing here, but they're building something. I don't know if they're extending the hotel or what, but the car park is so overfilled that you've got people parking on the pathway like this, look. So, and it took us about 15 minutes just to get a space. I don't know if they're not keeping an eye on the numbers or what, I have no idea. But maybe that's what they're building. Maybe they're building a car park, who knows. But we're here, so we're gonna just get the kids ready. We're gonna get into the hotel. Maybe the room's ready, maybe it's not. It's probably not, because normally they're not ready till like 4 o'clock. We don't care, but then we're gonna head into the parks. So we're in reception, and Sophie's just checking in. You want me over there? No, Noah's screaming his head off. And Sophie's just said bring him over here, so she wants him over there, so that's fine. These are the joys of children. He probably won't mind, to be fair.
I have some stickers, and then I have.
Oh no!
If you want to pay.
He's being a rascal. And then these two are over here, doing whatever they're doing. We're just trying to check in, basically. So Sophie's just checking in so we can get a room a little bit earlier. Just so we haven't got to do it later when we get back from the parks, basically, because obviously if we're staying, we're going to go straight to the parks, and then we don't want to get back and then have to sort out all of that stuff. So it's better if you just get your room and your key and all your bits and pieces, so then we can just come back, get the cases, crash out, and then yeah, start again tomorrow. But looking forward to it, aren't we, Jack? Hey, you looking forward to it? What you got there? Something crisps? Yeah. You looking forward to it, Charlie? Yeah. You're sharing? Good. It smells really nice in this reception anyway. It's got a lovely odour to it. I don't know if they're pumping out some sort of smell. They normally do in Disney hotels. But yeah, so this is going to be us checked in. Right, so we're on our way to the parks now. We're all checked in. Soph's got the room keys. So look, we're just as you come downstairs in Sequoia Lodge, there's these two Indian headdresses, which is pretty cool. So in Sequoia Lodge, there's two main restaurants. So you've got Beaver Creek and Hunter's Grill. So just over there to the left, you've got Hunter's Grill and then Beaver's Creek. I think one of them is like a la carte, and the other one is like a buffet. We may or may not show you them, depending on what we do. But you'll have to find out. You'll have to wait and see. But there we go. Look, there's a mirror. Look. So that's Beaver's Creek, just there. Big old bear there as well. So I think that's the buffet restaurant. And then over there you got Hunter's Grill, which is the a la carte one, which looks like it's actually starting to get ready for lunch, I guess. Yeah, probably. Right. Anyway, let's go out here. Can you open the door for me, Jack? There's a good lad. I've got to push this. This little Noah's having a walk. Go on then, push it. Push, push, push. Push.
It's a pull one.
Oh, what? It's a push, darling, look. Right, Sophie?
Yeah.
Ah, look! Such a beautiful day, isn't it?
I can see the balloon.
Hey? Look at that. It's a very big hotel, isn't it, this one?
I can see a balloon from here.
Look at that hotel. It's massive. Absolutely massive. There is a spa and a swimming pool. But it's like over that way. I will show you that at some point as well. Over the next few days. Is there any alligators? No, there's no alligators, darling. We're in Paris. Paris. So there's only alligators in America. In Florida. Disney World.